ever gonna rest easy
Hi,
in
babe.
our home? How you ever?
Hello. Hi. Say hi. This is Caden. He's standing. He's a big, strong boy. He doesn't know how to get down very well, though. Look. You can do it. Hey, Caden. Can you help? That's Caden throwing a little tantrum. Down. Oh. Come here. Come over here. Hey. Stay away from the door. Come back here. Look. Look. Let's see if I can show you him crawling up. He likes my cell phone. Oh, John. Oh, he just started this super whiny thing. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Yay! Say yay! Okay, you can have it. He already broke it last week by slobbering all over it. So there's Caden, standing up like a big man. You say bye-bye.